Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about AP Cabinet Ministers list. As you all know, after recent elections, NDA government led by Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu and Pawan Kalyan garu and BJP officials came into power in Andhra Pradesh. After formation of government, Cabinet of Andhra Pradesh formed with 25 ministries. We will look after those 25 ministries list one by one. So coming to the first one, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu. Along with Chief Minister portfolio, he is having General Administration, Law and Order, Public Enterprise and all other portfolios which are not allocated to ministers. And the next one is Deputy Chief Minister Sri Konidala Pawan Kalyan garu. Along with Deputy Chief Minister, he has portfolios of Panchayati Raj, Rural Development and Rural Water Supply, Environment, Forest, Science and Technology Departments. Third one is Sri Nara Lokesh garu, Education and IT Minister. Along with Human Resource Development, IT, Electronics and Communication, RTGS. The next one is Kinjarapu Acchen Naidu garu, Agriculture Minister. Along with Agriculture, Cooperation, Marketing, Animal Husbandry, Dairy Development and Fisheries. The next one is Anita Vangalapudi garu, Home Minister, Home Affairs and Disaster Management. Next one is Kullu Ravindra garu, Excise Minister and also Mines and Geology Department. Next one is Nadendra Manohar garu, Civil Supplies Minister, Food and Civil Supplies, Consumer Affairs. Next one is Ponguru Narayana garu, Municipal Minister. He looks after Municipal Administration and Urban Development. Next one is Sachikumar Yadav garu, Health Minister, Health, Family Welfare and Medical Education. Next one is Dr. Nimmala Rama Naidu garu, Water Resources Minister, Water Resources Development. Next one is Anam Ramanaran Reddy garu, Endowment Minister. Next one is Nasim Mohammad Farooq, Minority Welfare Minister, along with Law and Justice, Minority Welfare. Next one is Gummadi Sanjay Rani, Tribal Welfare Minister, Women and Child Welfare, Tribal Welfare. Next one is Payyavala Keshav garu, Finance Minister, looks after Finance, Planning, Commercial Taxes and Legislative. Next one is Anagani Satyaprasad garu, Revenue Minister, Revenue, Registration and Stamps. Next one is Kolisu Parthasarathi garu, Housing Minister, Housing, INPR, Information and Public Representations. And next one is Dola Bala Viranjanaya Swami garu, Welfare Minister, Social Welfare, Disabled and Senior Citizens Welfare, Sachivalayam and Village Volunteers, Village Secretaries and Ward Secretaries. Next one is Gottipati Ravikumar garu, Energy Minister. Next one is Kandulu Durgesh garu, Tourism Minister, Tourism, Culture and Cinematography. Next one is BC Janardhan Reddy garu, R&B Minister, Roads and Buildings, Infrastructure and Investments. Next one is TG Bharat garu, Industries Minister, Industries and Commerce, Food Processing. Next one S. Savita garu, BC Welfare Minister, BC Welfare, Economically Weaker Sections Welfare, Handlooms and Textiles. Next one is Vasamchat Subhas garu, Labor Welfare Minister, Labor, Factories, Boilers and Insurance Medical Services. And the next one is Kondapalli Srinivas garu, MSME Minister, MSME, SERP, NRI Empowerment and Relations. Next one is Mandipalli Ram Prasad Reddy garu, Transport Minister, Transport, Youth and Sports. This is the complete list of AP Cabinet Ministers in 2024 after the formation of NDA government under the leadership of Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu and Konidala Pawan Kalyan garu. Thanks for watching our video.